Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Big Mama Cooks and I have an Instagram page where I post my cooking recipes all the time at Big Mama Cooks _. Today's recipe is Moro de Habichuelas Rojas, or in English, Dominican red bean rice. This is a super simple moro to make and we're going to go step by steps. Let's get right to it. We're going to start off by rinsing and washing our rice under cold water multiple times. I have a video on how to wash your rice in my channel. Check that out. I am going to heat up my pot in medium-high heat and add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my moro. Everything is going to be listed on the bottom bar. Don't worry. My sofrito is fully loaded, so I don't have to use a lot. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sofrito to my oil, and then I'm going to follow up with 1 chicken bouillon cube. I'd like to note that I like to use the brand Maggie with the chicken that has the black outline. Why the black outline? Because it's the one with the Dominican seasonings and flavor. Then I'm going to follow up with 1 can of drained pink beans. Yes, you can use kidney and you can use pinto. Use any red beans you have on hand. Next, I'm going to add in 1 yellow seasoning packet. I like to use the Accent brand seasoning packets because they're not so salty and they give great flavor. My seasonings are all in the pot. I'm going to mix it all together into the beans so the beans could take on the sazon flavor, and then follow up with my drained and cleaned rice. I'm going to mix everything really well together so there are no white spots left, and then I'm going to add my water. Again, equal parts with how much rice I put in. I realized that my rice was a little too light in color, so I added in an orange seasoning packet from another brand because I had ran out of the orange Accent packets. I'm going to mix everything really well together. This was to give it some additional color. It gives the exact orangey color that I need for this plate. Next, I'm going to cover my rice on a high flame so that the rice can absorb all of the liquids. It's going to be for 8 minutes. Make sure you set a timer. At the end of those 8 minutes, when I come back, the rice has absorbed all of the liquid, and then I go on and I create my little rice mountain. Why the little rice mountain? So that the rice doesn't get stuck to the side and we don't have concon on the side, only concon on the bottom. Next, I'm going to lower the flame to extra low and I'm going to cover my rice with aluminum foil. Cover my pot for 25 minutes. Make sure you set a timer. At the end of those 25 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil, check on my rice, break it down with a spoon, mix it and move it, and you have perfect Moro de Habichuelas Rojas, or Dominican red bean rice to perfection. Easy peasy, straight from the can. Your family will never know and they're gonna love it. I served my Moro de Habichuelas Rojas with air fried chicken wings. See you next time, cousins.